Hi there, I'm Baby Shark. Do 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 do. Oh, sorry, I just can't help singing sometimes. Did you know sharks have been around for over 400 million years? Welcome to my super splashy home under the sea. Want to explore with me? What's your favorite sea creature? Whoosh! Did you see that? I love zooming through coral tunnels. Coral reefs are like underwater cities, full of life. The ocean is full of surprises, like that octopus over there. Did you know octopuses have 3 hearts?
Blub, blub.
There's so much to see down here. Can you spot the colorful fish?
Balloons of green, orange like pumpkins on Halloween. Purple mask twirls spinning.
Oh look, it's my family. They're always up to something fun. Did you know sharks can communicate with each other?
Hello, little ones. Watch me make heart bubbles. You make bubbles too.
Chomp chomp, don't worry, I only bite seaweed. What's your favorite seaweed snack?
Grandma and Grandpa sure know how to boogie. Did you know some sharks can live up to 100 years?
Back in my day, we danced with eels. Have you ever seen an eel dance?
Those were the days.
My family is the best. We always have fun together. What's your favorite family activity? Thanks for joining our adventure. Wow, everyone's dancing together. Did you know some fish can dance too? Maybe I should join in. This underwater disco is fantastic. Even the jellyfish are grooving. Can you spot the jellyfish?
Boing, boing, boing.
These bubbles are like magic elevators. Did you know bubbles can carry sounds underwater? Up we go, past the rainbow fish and glowy corals. Can you name the colors you see? Top! That was fun! Oh, what's this treasure chest? What do you think is inside? Can you guess what's inside the treasure chest? Let's find out together. Yay, you did it! Did you know some fish can change colors to blend in with their surroundings? Look at all these sea creatures celebrating together. Can you name any of them? What an amazing day with my family and new friends. Did you know octopuses have 3 hearts? Time to snuggle up. Good night, everyone. Sweet sea dreams. Can you count the stars in the ocean sky? If you enjoyed our underwater adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting journeys.